Asadha Shukla Vivaswat Saptami. Asadha Shukla Vivaswat Saptami is a spiritually potent day in the Hindu calendar with deep Vedic, solar, and yogic significance. Falling on the Saptami Tithi, 7th lunar day, during the bright fortnight, Shukla Paksha, of the Asadha month, it aligns with key transitions in cosmic time and seasonal energy. Significance of Asadha Shukla Vivaswat Saptami. Vivaswat, the solar sage. Vivaswat refers to Surya Deva, the sun god, also known as the first teacher of dharma and yoga. According to Bhagavad Gita 4.1, Imam Vivaswate Yogam Proktavan Eham Avyayam. I taught this eternal yoga to Vivaswan, the sun god. Vivaswan passed this sacred knowledge to Manu, the progenitor of mankind, making this tithi a marker of cosmic lineage and divine transmission of wisdom. Midpoint of Chaturmasya energy. This Saptami comes just shortly before Ashadhi Ekadashi, which marks the start of Chaturmas, a time of inner sadhana, sattvic food, and vrat. Vivaswat Saptami thus represents solar strength and spiritual clarity at the beginning of the rainy season when the sun is still dominant. Ideal for Surya Aradhana, solar worship. Vedic sages observed that sunlight in Ashadha Shukla Saptami helps in clearing doshas, toxins, from the body, strengthening ojas, tejas, and prana, boosting mental clarity and dharmic alignment. Associated vows or practices. In some traditions, this day is also linked to Surya Vrat, especially for those seeking health, progeny, and removal of obstacles. This Saptami is often observed in South Indian, especially Tamil and Andhra, traditions for offering tapas to the rising sun. Ritual observances. Early morning arghya. Offer water mixed with red sandalwood, kumkum, jaggery, and red flowers to the rising sun. Chanting mantras. Aditya Hridayam Stotra. 12 names of Surya, Mitra, Ravi, Surya, Bhanu, etc. Gayatri Mantra or Om Grini Suryaya Namah. Spiritual practices. Surya Namaskar 12 rounds with mantra chanting. Sankalpa, vow, for energy purification or health. Dan, charity, of wheat, copper, red cloth, jaggery. Bento Navedya ideas offer sattvic food with solar associations. Sweet wheat halwa with ghee and jaggery. Red rice or jaggery poha. Rava kesari with saffron. Pomegranate, dates, or red banana. Saffron milk in copper tumbler. Summary. Why this day matters. Ashadha Shukla Vivaswat Saptami is a day of solar renewal, Vedic wisdom, and personal purification. It marks a time when inner light, knowledge, and outer light, sun energy, align. Observing Surya Arghya, chanting, and sattvic living on this day enhances health, clarity, and alignment with dharma.